Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hello Aishwarya, welcome to eTimes TV.
Thank you so much, Vijay Lakshmi. Thank you so much.
And how are you?
I'm very good. God is kind.
Yes. Shooting in this circumstances away from home, how difficult has it been for you?
I am no longer shooting for my show.
Okay.
I have come back to Bombay. I have taken a break from the show till the time I don't get vaccinated. So
Okay.
this was an ultimatum that was given to me by my family. They said, nothing doing, you need to get back, and you possibly cannot be putting yourself out at risk in these times. And I was not given any other option by them. So I had to take a break. And those 16, 17 days of being in Goa and shooting, it's not that I didn't have fun. I did have fun. It's always fun shooting. But I was stressed because after every few hours, I was getting calls from my family saying, when are you coming back?
Yeah.
So I didn't first of all like to put my family through so much stress. That's not fair because I chose to work. And secondly, हवा में ना वो था, fear था.
Yeah.
And that's not a very great environment to be in. So I understand the show must go on and all that is there. But I personally don't like to work when I'm so stressed or fearful of my environment. So that is how I took the decision of coming back.
But how difficult or easy was to convince the production house and let you go in these testing times, because उन्हें भी fresh episodes निकालने हैं and they also care for their actors, but
I won't say it was easy or difficult. It was a situation that we are all in together, right? Everybody would want to be home, but everybody also had their own set of circumstances. Creatives को नए episodes निकालने हैं, हमें shoot करना है. So everybody has their own certain set of challenges. So when I spoke to my creators and I told them that I wish to get vaccinated and only get myself out to shoot again like that, initially they thought that I'm panicking. But when I actually sat down with them and I explained the situation, they understood. It did not take me more than 5 minutes to let them know what situation I'm in. This was my trying circumstances. And they completely understood. They said, health ke aage kuch nahi hai.
Yeah.
So if this is what you feel, and if this is the kind of family pressure that you're getting, then we understand, and you take that vaccination and then come back and listen.
But personally, Aishwarya, आपके लिए कितना difficult था, because आप एक बार health के साथ अपने deal कर चुके हैं, have gone through that. एंड अभी तो ऐसा सिचुएशन है दैट हमें हर पल कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी न्यूज मिल रही है विच इज वेरी अपसेटिंग, डिसहार्टनिंग एंड डिस्टर्बिंग ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. तो हाउ चैलेंजिंग इट इज जब आपने वो डिसीजन लिया टू गो आउट इन गोवा, आई मीन आउट ऑफ द सिटी, मूव टू सम अदर लोकेशन एंड शूट देयर?
Vijay Lakshmi, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. In fact, when that whole thing of moving to Goa news started to do the rounds on our set, I was very skeptical because एक तो ऐसी सिचुएशन है ना, पता नहीं कि कब बॉर्डर्स बंद हो जाएंगे, कब लॉकडाउन लग जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
लास्ट ईयर ये सब माइग्रेंट्स की न्यूज आई थी कि they are trying to get back home. I didn't want to be in that situation. I didn't want to be away from my family in case they need me.
Yeah.
But एक तरीके से ये भी था कि बॉम्बे से बेहतर है गोवा में शूट कर ले. At least I'm not putting my family at risk.
Yeah.
So it was a catch-22 for me. I howled my eyes out when I was told that okay, we have to move to Goa. And मैं रातों रात ये decision उन पे नहीं थोप सकती थी that I'm not going to come or I can't come. Everybody is going through this situation. So I knew that once I get to Goa, I will have to speak to my creators because there's pressure on me. I was also fearful. I don't want to risk my health for anything. I think I'm one of the few fortunate ones who could take that decision कि घर पे बैठ सकती हूँ मैं. There are so many of us who are out there and they don't have a choice but to work. Because, you know, possibly they are the sole breadwinners of the family or they have financial crunches. So it wasn't easy. It was a very difficult decision. I didn't know for how long I was going. पहले 15 दिन था, फिर उसके बाद बढ़ता गया. So I literally like packed 3 bags full of food because I'm very, very, very careful of what I eat. And then I had to, you know, speak to my production house that I want a kitchen. I don't want to stay in a hotel. I want to make my own khana. So they were kind enough to, you know, give me an apartment with a kitchen. So ये सब arrangements उन लोगों ने करके दिए. But still, at the back of my mind, it's like my family is back in Bombay. I don't want to stress them out. So when I reached there, I think we reached on the 16th. By 19th, I spoke to my production people. They thought that, you know, possibly I'll come around. Maybe it's new. Maybe I'm trying to just settle in, and maybe that's why the panic is there. But then eventually, after 2 to 3 days, and I told them again that, you know, I need to exit the show. Then my creative came down, and, you know, she said, you know, I'm here to convince you. And then I said, I understand that you're doing your job, but I also have my health issues. I possibly cannot be taking a risk at this point of time. And like I said, it didn't take more than 5 minutes for her to understand my situation. So, पहले भी एक show छोड़ चुकी हूँ because I felt sick. And I didn't want that to happen again कि मुझे ये show छोड़ना पड़े. So it's better to take a break, get your health in place, and then resume. So yeah.
Yeah. Coming back to your show, अगर हम बात करें, you are playing this negative lead. You started off playing a बहू, but बहुत ही different kind of बहू थी वो, और अपने आप में एक नई बहू थी, and we loved that show. But talking about this show, ये है चाहते, you're playing a negative character, but you have been doing this role for quite some time now. कभी monotonous या monotony आई है, you know, while playing the character?
You know, the fun aspect of doing negative leads is that you can actually do a lot. Because when you're doing a positive lead, and this is what I've understood, the show is written keeping you in mind. You know, so you have a certain boundary and you can't really cross that, because there are very fixed notions in our nation's head कि अच्छी बहुएं ऐसी ही होती. They can't go beyond a certain line. Whereas when I started to play negative, I could do so much more. I could explore so much more. So even if the scenes were written in a similar fashion, I was given that freedom that I could do anything. कि मतलब अगर मैं अपने co-actor को चाटा मार के भी निकल गई और वो लिखा नहीं हुआ है, and if it fits and my co-actor is okay with it, they would appreciate it. So the kind of motivation and the encouragement that I've gotten from my creative team and from the audience, it took a while for them to understand as to why I'm doing this. It took a while for them to accept me like that. But that kind of encouragement kind of kept me going. And I'm not saying it because I'm doing this show right now, but I'm honestly very happy playing Ahana.
And styling की बात करें तो we have seen you wearing some gorgeous sarees and उसके blouses. कितना आपका creatively आप कितने involved रहते हो उसमें when you are you know wearing an outfit?
I think styling is one aspect of this show which has kept me really, really engrossed. I and my stylist Trupti, we have sat down and brainstormed and done things रात को 10-10:30 बैठ के, you know, we are sending each other ideas कि ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं. I think for the very first time in any of my shows, I've been this involved with the way my character is going to look. And it has been a very engaging process and a learning process. And more than anything else, because of this, I had to keep myself really fit. I had to look a certain way because the kind of clothes that they would give me, I possibly could not, you know, have an ounce of fat on me. So at the cost of being body shamed every now and then by people saying बहुत सूखी है, हड्डी लग रही है and all of that. But I know it for a fact that because of those clothes and me having to remain a certain size has kind of paid off, because people have spoken about my styling and the way Ahana looks in the show very often. So I think somewhere it has paid off.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. It was great talking to you,
so
and I hope you enjoyed talking to us.
Yes.
And
Yes.
stay safe, be happy always, and all the
Yes,
best.
you too.